Creative, hear me. You have not failed. Did you turn out a bad story, a bad song? Was that pattern you sewed definitely not fit for human wear? You still didn't fail. I don't know why we hold ourselves to a standard when it comes to our art that we don't hold to any other part of our life. Remember that time you tried to cook a thing and it didn't work, it burned or it collapsed or whatever? Did you give up cooking forever? Of course not. You just said, well, darn it, and you tried a different way. Remember when you were going to work or school or a friend's house or just somewhere and you got lost? Did you then stop traveling forever? Did you just never leave your home again? Of course not. But when it comes to art, we try and we fail, whatever that means, and then we think it's over. We think we've been stamped, marked, mutilated by this failure, and that's the end of everything, and it's proof that we can't do it again. This is not true. This is your brain lying to you. There is no such thing as failing in art. Now, you can fail specific goals that you set for yourself, like, I want to be able to make enough money to live on just this and never do anything else. And I would too. We all would. But that's not in your control. What is? Making good art. Art is about more than money. It's about more than fame. That's a whole other video. This one's already too long. Trust me, creative, you have not failed. There is still hope. Don't give up. Don't quit. It believes in you, and so do I. Sit down with me, my fellow artist, and let's make something new. And then you can be encouraged by cats.